In this video, we are going to be looking at introduction to integration, and it is important we know that integration is the reverse of differentiation. If we are given a function x raised to the power of n, differentiating this means the x raised to the power of n over the x is equal to n x raised to the power of n minus 1. Then this means the x raised to the power of n will be equal to n x raised to the power of n minus 1 dx. Now let's substitute both sides by n plus 1. Wherever you have n, let n be equal to n plus 1, and if we do that, we are going to have the x raised to the power of n plus 1 equal to n plus 1 x raised to the power of n minus 1 plus 1 dx. So at this point now, this will reduce to the x raised to the power of n plus 1 equal to n plus 1 x raised to the power of n, because minus 1 plus 1 is 0, you have dx. So let's divide both sides. Let's divide both sides by n plus 1. If we do that, we are going to have dx raised to the power of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 equal to x raised to the power of n dx. Now at this junction, we are going to integrate both sides. If we do that, we are going to have integral of the x raised to the power of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 equal to integral of x raised to the power of n dx. So we have been told that integral is the reverse of differentiation, and generally in mathematics, if you have 2 multiplying 2 raised to the power of minus 1, this will give us 1, because this is the inverse of multiplicative inverse of 2. So this means multiplying integral with the inverse is going to give you only x raised to the power of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1, and this is equal to integral of x raised to the power of n dx. And so let me rewrite this. It means integral of x raised to the power of n dx is equal to x raised to the power of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. When you find an integral, you add the constant c, which is the integrating constant. So this is the standard formula for integration. Please like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and hit the notification bell to get notified each time we upload a video. Thank you.